So today we are going to be playing custom sounds with Arduino Uno or ESP32. You can either use Arduino or ESP32. We'll also need a speaker. Only in speaker, we're not going to use any SD card module or any other thing. Only this thing, a small speaker. Further in the video, we'll also be using desktop speakers also. So today I'm right now using ESP32, not the Arduino Uno, but this can also be used. So first let's hop into our desktop and code. So first we need to have our audio file which we are going to use. Here I have it on desktop right now. You can see happy birthday song. You can convert mp3 file to WAV file, which is really important. You can use any online converter, and then we are going to convert it to a header file, a .h file. So I have a WAV file right now, and I'm going to convert it to a header file. So you can use this link. I'm going to provide this link in the comment section. So let's just convert it first of all. So once our file is ready, you can see we need to put our INO file in a desktop folder like this. This sound2 INO file is our main, where our main code will be written. And this header file you can see at the top is, we are going to replace it by our own header file which we have downloaded earlier. So I'm going to change it. I'm going to go to downloads. Here is our file. I'm just going to copy it from here and paste in our main code file. This step is really important, so make sure you do it. Now we're going to rename it and rename it a shorter name for easy. So I'm just going to name it sound. So at the top you can see our sound file is already added. So yeah, at the top you can already see it that our file has been added. We're going to open the sound INO file. Okay, I'll provide the code in the description. This is the main code, sound2.ino. So I've provided, and you can see at the top hash includes sound.h. So we're going to replace the name with our header file, which is sound d double d at the end. So I'm just going to replace it right now. Now you can see our header file. Okay, this is the main code, and I have added the audio pin as 25. You can change it accordingly. Now in our header file we're going to delete the first 3 lines, but because we're going to add our own other 3 lines, and at the end here you can see we're going to remove this bracket also, or you can not remove. Okay, so when it's done we're going to go here. This is the header and the footer we are going to add at our header file. Just copy it up. I will provide this header and footer in the description also, so you can just copy and paste it there. Okay, now we are going to copy it up and we are going to paste it in our header file, which is going to go to the top and paste it right here. I forgot to add the last footer line, but you must add it in the header file. I will provide it in the description. Now I'm going to replace the name uh, of the header file, and I'm going to rename it sound normal sound.h. And if you rename the file header file, you have to change it the top of the main code so it's included properly. Now simply we're just going to upload the code. It's going to take a few minutes, a couple of minutes, and then it will be uploaded. Okay, so now as you can see our code has been successfully uploaded, and now we're going to use a small speaker, low power speaker, and attach it to the Arduino to the ESP32. So in the code we defined the audio pin as pin number 25. So I'm going to connect it one end of the speaker to pin 25 and the other to the ground. So if you hear closely, the sound along with the background music is hearable. Look. So now I'm going to show you how you can use the desktop speakers to play the sound. Okay. Okay, so right now here we have a desktop speaker. Here we have two cables, one for the external power supply and this one is the audio cable. So we're going to first provide them external power supply. So they're working right now. You can hear the small sound of them. Now what you next need to do is in here we are going to connect this jumper wire to the pin number 25 on the ESP. Okay, so here we have the audio cable. We're going to take the audio pin number 25 and another audio pin. This is the ground pin. Here's the audio pin of the desktop speaker. So we're going to connect one end to this one center one to the ground. Okay, and this audio cable that's coming from the ESP, we're going to connect it to our the last section. Okay, this is going to take some time, so the sound is very clear, you can hear right now. So this is how you can do it. So thanks for watching and don't forget to comment down below if you have any problem and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.